Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we will study about how to find the adjoint of a matrix. So students, our topic for today is the adjoint of a matrix. For the finding the adjoint, we first have to find all the cofactors of the given matrix. We are given a 2 by 2 matrix. We have to find all the cofactor. First cofactor I am finding A11. I will delete the first row and the first column. First row and first column I am deleting, it will be equal to 4. A12 will be equal to minus of. I will delete the first row and second column. First row and second column, it will be equal to minus 3. Why minus? Because 2 plus 1 is odd. Now A 2, 1 I am finding. 2 plus 1 is also odd, so I will put a sign minus before the cofactor. Leave the second row and the first column, it will be minus 2, and A22 will be equal to, leave the second row and the second column will be equal to 1. So, adjoint of given matrix will be equal to a matrix transpose of the cofactor matrix. What is cofactor matrix? I have to put A11 cofactor at place of A11, A12 cofactor at place of A12, A21 cofactor at the place of A21, and A22 cofactor at the place of A22. Now I have to take the transpose of that. In transpose, what we will do? First row will become the first column and second row will become the second column. This is the adjoint of the given matrix and it is our answer. Now students, we have learned about the 2 by 2 matrix and find its adjoint. Now students, we are learning about the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix, and we will get from this question. We are taking an example. It has the 9 elements, so 9 cofactor we will find. The first cofactor will be A11. First we will delete the first row and first column, and determinant left is 3051 will be equal to 3. Now I am finding the second cofactor A12. 1 and 2 are odd, we will put a sign of minus it before finding the cofactor, and it will be equal to, we will leave the first row and the second column. 2 minus 2, 5, 1, it will be equal to minus of 2 plus 10 is equal to minus 12. Now we are finding A13 cofactor, it will be equal to, we are splitting the first row and the third column, it will be 2 minus 2, 3, 0, it will be equal to plus 6. Now we are finding the A21. So students, to find the A21, what we have to do? We will delete the second row and the first column, and 2 and 1 are odd, so we will put minus before it, and we will delete the second row and the first column. What is left here? Minus 1 0 and 2 1, and we have to solve it, minus of minus 1 equal to plus 1. Now we are finding A22. 2 plus 2 is 4. It is even number, so no need to put any sign of. A22 will be equal to 1 minus 2, 2, 1. Determinant will be equal to 5. Now A23 will be equal to negative of 1 minus 2 minus 1 0. Minus 2 will be equal to plus 2. Now we have to find the A31 cofactor. It will be equal to determinant of minus 1 3 and 2 5. It will be equal to minus 12. A32 will be equal to negative of 1 2 2 5. It will be equal to minus 1. And A33 will be equal to 1 2 minus 1 3, determinant equal to 5. These are all the 9 cofactors of the given matrix A. With the help of them, we can make a cofactor matrix, then we will take the transpose of that, then the transpose will be known as the adjoint matrix. So first, my dear students, after finding the cofactor, our first step will be we have to find the cofactor matrix. We are making our cofactor matrix. So our cofactor matrix will be our cofactor matrix will be equal to, our first cofactor was 3, second cofactor was -12, third cofactor is 6, next cofactor is 1, next cofactor is 5, next cofactor is +2, and the next cofactor is -11, and the next cofactor is -1, and next cofactor is 5. These are our cofactor matrix. Now we have to find the transpose of this matrix to find the adjoint of A. Now adjoint of A will be transpose of this matrix. How to take the transpose? First row or first column will become the first row, second column will become the second column, and third row will become the third column. These are our answer of adjoint A. Dear students, we have two matrices in our question. First is adjoint A, second is A matrix itself. Let us we will multiply them, and let what happen to the this multiply, what this multiply will be equal to. So we'll take a multiply A into adjoint of A will be equal to, first we will write A 1 2 -2 -1 3 0 2 5 1. This is A matrix. Now adjoint matrix is 3 -12 6 1 5 2 and -11 -1 and 5. Let us take the multiply of both the matrix. Multiply row by column. It will be equal to 1 into 3 will be 3 plus 12 and plus 12. Next will be row will multiply. We will multiply 1 minus 5 plus 4. Next is -11 plus 1 plus 10. Similarly, we do, it will appear as 0, 27, 0, 0, 0, 27. This will be equal to 27, 0, 0, 0, 27, 0, 0, 0, 27. What we can say, 27 into identity matrix of 3 by 3. So A into adjoint A is equal to 27 into I. Let us try to find what is that 27. Okay students, now to expand this matrix, we need not to find again all the cofactors. We have already find the cofactor in our adjoint. These are all the cofactors of the row 1, and this is the row 1. So we will multiply the respective cofactor of any row by their corresponding elements, and we will find the determinant. So determinant A will be equal to, this is A11 element and this is its cofactor 3. Then put a sign of plus. This is A22 element and this is its cofactor -12. Then plus, this is A22 A13 element and this is its cofactor 6. 3 plus 12 plus 12 will be equal to 27. So 27 is the determinant. So 27 is the determinant of the given matrix. So we have made a result that A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I. So we have made a result that A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Now, my dear student, I hope that you have got the concept of adjoint of a matrix. First, we have to find the cofactor of the matrix. Then we have to make the cofactor matrix. Then we have to take the transpose of that. And the next result which we have learned is that A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I. This is our lecture for today. In the next lecture, we will meet next time. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.